Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing today? If you guys are good, glory be to God. So guys, today I'm gonna be making dinner, so join me, let's make dinner. So what I have here is a chicken. I'll be making roasted chicken with some potato for family dinner. Okay, so already the chicken is washed. So what I'm trying to do is just to see if take out some little feathers that might still be attached to it, and get it ready. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also follow us on my Facebook page, Kamsi Sword. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm making an incision on the chicken whereby my spice can be able to penetrate very well into it. So in my plate I added in some paprika, curry, black pepper, nut cube. I also added some salt. I also added thyme. Also I added groundnut oil, okay, so that is going to help to make it stick to the chicken while it's roasting in the oven. So right now I'm going to be rubbing it very well. You have to massage it, deliberately massage it so that the spice will enter very well. Okay guys, so after massaging I leave it to sit out for some minutes, about 15 minutes or thereabout. Then I proceed in washing my potatoes, and after washing I put my potatoes. I'm gonna be baking them together, like I'm gonna be roasting the potato and the chicken in one tray. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, so I sprinkled in some potato spice. I also added a little bit of groundnut oil and I massaged everything properly. I also dropped in my chicken. I added some garlic. I stuffed in some of the potatoes in the chicken to give it a little bit of weight, So, and I will be roasting this at 180 degree for about 20-25 minutes. So over here, what I'm doing is to slice up my vegetables, because I'm gonna be making a stir fry with the sweet peppers. So I have green, red and yellow pepper with some onions and one habanero pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna be slicing them up because I'm making a stir fry, okay, with the pepper. So guys, after 30 minutes of roasting, this is the final result of our potato and roasted chicken. So hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow my Facebook page at Kamsi Sword. See you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful night. Bye.